For today's issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, we are going to talk about how you can get more YouTube subscribers. Now, I've been working on growing my channel a little bit recently, and as part of that, because I'm in the earliest stages of really growing my channel, I'm very proactively doing the homework of all the little things that can help me help you get more YouTube subscribers. And I uncovered a little easy, I call it the Watermark CTA hack to help you get more YouTube subscribers. And actually, if you look in my video, in this corner, you should see a little square that says subscribe, and it has the little YouTube, the little YouTube player icon. And if you click that, you can actually click the subscribe button from there. And it's basically telling you, hey, if you're liking this video, you should subscribe. It pops up automatically. It's easy, and it's on every video on my channel right away. And I want to tell you how you can do that on your channel so that you can get more subscribers. And if you're using YouTube for business, that means more customers, more sales, more profits, more leads, whatever. If you're using it for just generating ad revenue through YouTube, more subscribers is more views, and more views is more ad revenue. So no matter what you're doing with YouTube, my guess is that you want more people to view your videos. And one of the best ways to ensure that is to increase your subscriber count. Not only will those subscribers actually see your videos more, but the more subscribers you have, the more YouTube values your channel and puts it in front of other users. And so this should be a really easy way to help you out with that. Now, one warning before we get into the how-to tutorial part of doing this. The warning is that this is a hack, and like all hacks, it will give you marginal improvement over what you're already doing. So if you are terrible at YouTube and you don't have any subscribers and everybody hates your videos and nobody wants to subscribe to you anyway, this isn't going to help. You have to be producing valuable content that people want to see anyway. And all that this does is that it adds a little call to action that pops up when people are watching your videos to make them more likely to choose to subscribe to your channel from each video. So let me pop over to the browser window here. And what you're seeing is my channel dashboard. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through this really simple process. So first you click on settings, and then you click on, let's see, it's on channel here. And then you click over here on branding. And this is the page where you control your thumbnail, your video watermark. And what we're going to do is I'm actually going to give you the image, and I will make sure, be sure to look for the link underneath this video. There's a subscribe link too underneath this video. Be sure to look for the link underneath this video where you can download this image for free. And I actually created this image. I created my own version of this image, so I can just give it away to you for free. So you're going to click replace, and you don't see it, but Chrome has popped up a little dialog box for me, and I am clicking on the file YouTube subscribe watermark royfurr.png, and I'm hitting open, and it's actually not going to change here. Actually, let me hit remove, and I'll choose the image. So that's what you'd see if you didn't have a watermark. I'll choose the image, and it just pops up there, right? And then you can choose, do you want it to display at the end of the video? It's 15 seconds or less, depending on the length of the video. I don't recommend that. You can certainly do a custom start time where it actually pops in after about 5 seconds, or you can do it so it's there from the beginning, so it shows up and it's there during the entire video, which is what I recommend, just so it's there, it's obvious, and people have the opportunity to click it the whole way through. And then you hit save, and it's easy as that. YouTube will actually put that image, that little subscribe image, and here's what it looks like. This is a different video that I have. That little subscribe image in the corner of the video player. Also, if somebody's watching on their phone or tablet, it will show up in the corner of the video on their phone or tablet, and it's just a little subscribe button. And then when they click on it, it pops open the subscribe button. And if I weren't logged in, or if I were logged in under a different account that wasn't subscribed, I would be able to click this and immediately subscribe, and it would confirm the subscription to this. So it's pretty cool. It's super easy, and doing this will actually help you. It'll help you if you want more subscribers to your YouTube channel. I mean, it's really simple. If you're creating great content anyway, this is just one more little thing that you can do so that slightly more people who are interested in your content are going to just end up subscribing to your channel. You can also reference that subscribe button in your video content, like I'm doing right now. You can click that subscribe button. I always get confused working with my webcam here. Click that subscribe button and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want more YouTube tips, more marketing tips, and more personal development tips for content creation, for entrepreneurs. And I actually, Monday through Friday, I do a daily email. Monday through Thursday, I write those as an article that goes out to the list. On Friday, I create a video. And if you are interested in marketing, copywriting, persuasive messaging, selling, internet business building, personal development, all those topics, you'll find that if you actually go to my website, Breakthrough Marketing Secrets, and the link's in the description of this video, you can sign up there and you can get a lot of valuable content on those topics Monday through Friday. Again, my name is Roy Furr. This is my Video Friday issue of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. I hope you've gotten a lot out of it, and I look forward to seeing you again in your next video.